become. The drones of today are marvels of engineering, capable of flying long distances while carrying substantial loads. Alongside these developments, there have been numerous successful pilot projects and tests conducted worldwide. These have ranged from delivering medical supplies in Rwanda to pizza in New Zealand and even groceries right here in the United States. Each successful delivery served as a proof of concept, demonstrating the potential and feasibility of drone delivery. Overcoming numerous hurdles, the dream of drone delivery is finally taking flight. So what does the future hold for drone delivery? Imagine a world where your groceries, your medicines, even your midnight snack cravings are delivered right to your doorstep, not by a delivery person, but by a drone. This isn't science fiction, it's the potential future of drone delivery. E-commerce giants are already exploring ways to make this a reality. In healthcare, drones could transport critical supplies like blood and vaccines, especially in remote areas, revolutionizing medical logistics. However, the road ahead isn't without challenges. There are regulatory hurdles, safety and privacy concerns, and technical issues that need to be addressed. But fear not, there are just as many bright minds working on these problems as there are dreaming up this future. The innovations are pouring in, and the boundaries are being pushed every day. As technology advances, the day isn't far when drone deliveries become as common as traditional delivery methods. To sum it all up, we've journeyed through the exciting world of drone delivery. We've seen its birth as a simple concept and marveled at its evolution into a tangible reality. We've also peered into the future, where drones could very well be the new norm for package delivery. This technology holds the potential to transform our lives, making package delivery faster, more efficient, and ultimately more convenient. Drone delivery is indeed a game changer, bringing about a revolution in the way we receive our packages. Stay tuned to Tech Thrill for more exciting insights into the world of technology.